Good evening, friends. I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can install MySQL 8.4 in Ubuntu. So let's get started. I'm in my AWS dashboard. So let's create a new instance using Ubuntu. I'm going to choose Ubuntu here. Give it a name. MySQL. I'm going to choose now. I'm going to choose a QTL and security port will be autocreated. Storage, let's keep it like 20 gigabytes. And then I'm going to give an instance profile. So let's launch the instance. My goal is to run the latest Ubuntu and then install the MySQL 8.4 LTS. To do this, I have gone to like both of MySQL.info downloads. You can go to this page from here. And then once you click download, then you will have this page where you can get the download link. The file. Just copy the link and then I will download the file and visit the instance. So let's refresh. Click here. My instance is getting ready. That's why it's taking some time. Let's wait. It's ready now. Refresh the screen and then download it. Right? Once this is downloaded, then we can run this command. Double, let's install it. MySQL Server and password, that is 8.4 LTS, right? So that's okay. Push OK. Then I'm going to run this command. Update. And then you can run this command. This will install MySQL 8.4. You can see this is the 8.4. Okay. So you are asking for a root password. Let's give a root password. We enter the root password. Okay, it is installing. I think it's almost done. Okay, it's done. So let's clear the screen. Now let's start the instance. Then enable the instance. Let's check the status. Okay. So we have active, it's running, right? And let's check the version. The version is 8.4.7. That's good. So this is the simplest way to install MySQL latest version 8.4 in AWS Ubuntu. So you can run it here. Then you can like connect with your MySQL workbench or your application to the database and run your applications in AWS easily. So that's it. This is the very quick example on how you can install MySQL on Ubuntu. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. That is